have today is Red Hat's biggest certificate. I am a Red Hat certified architect. I don't know how did I become one. I have no clue. I obviously knew what I was being taught. I am very firm about the concepts that I know now. I am very thorough with whatever I have been taught because everything that was taught to me was taught from a granular level to a professional level. I was actually able to migrate live systems from one system to another. Something that I still cannot think of in my brain. I mean, I can do it with my hands, but I cannot dream of it. But here, with the training and the guidance that has been provided to me, I have been able to do it. The purpose of Linux World is not to teach you, it is more to motivate you. To motivate you to instill that thrill in you that yes, I have the passion of being the biggest certified person in my field. You know, the field you choose does not depend upon, what technologies you are offered. Here, the field that you choose depends upon the field that interests you. I even thought of going to Cisco in the meanwhile, for the beginning. After my project, I went for CCNA. I did CCNA, but CCNA didn't motivate me to that extent to which Red Hat did. So I turned again towards Red Hat. And the ease with which I could shift between the two was actually very much comforting for me. I could manage all of it with my college. I could manage all of it with my studies. My college GPA and everything was not affected. Everything is being perfectly well balanced. And now, when I stand up in my college and when I look back at my resume, it shines among everybody. Everybody in my college is like stuck between DBMS and operating system and Java and C++. But what I have in my hand is Red Hat Certified Architect. I have Python. I have shell scripting. I have a lot of other technologies which my friends don't even know about. I have been actually working on them. I have been making the technology with my hand. And this has all been possible with Linux. Thank you.